What's up, guys? So I'm doing um unboxing. Actually, I already unboxed it. But anyway, I'm doing an unboxing of the DSLR camera leveler. So I'm gonna use this one for my dash mount. Okay. Okay, let's pretend I'm trying to get tape out. Okay. And so here's the tools, and here's, let's open it up. And here we go. Let me lean a little bit. So here it is, guys. That's pretty it has some heft in it. It's pretty heavy. There's the bottom. There's the bottom. And as you can see, here's the top. So still a magnet here. So I'm not sure if it's magnetic. I don't know if it's aluminum or but anyway, so what's gonna happen is I might VHB a if it's not magnetic, I'm gonna VHB a metal plate here. Okay. So here's the C4. Okay. Sorry for the so here's my C4 currently. Okay. So I have a well-cured metal plate, well-cured VHB'd metal plate at the bottom. Okay. So my plan is, let me see. Yeah, so I'm gonna put metal. If it's not magnetic, I'm gonna put metal plate here and 2 magnets. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put it on top like this. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, guys. It will hold the weight of the C4. Okay, and let's how it turns. Did you hear that? I like the, see, it's how you level it. Nice. And then you can lock it. Let's see. Yeah, it's really locked. Wow. It's nice, guys. So if you're good in 3D printing, probably you can 3D print this one. This is, I think this is, I forgot what's the name of this. It's pretty much regular for, you know, for GoPro, whatever, cameras and everything. So if you want to make a flat thing here, okay, so you could, yeah, I wish C4 has a thing for cameras. Can you imagine? But anyway, and here's banana for scale. It's nice, guys. Very nice. And then the bottom will be VHB. Okay, so I'm gonna VHB a metal plate. Okay, and then magnet again to the dash. Okay, and there you go, guys. Thank you.